don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me in these last few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away, so I've been telling old stories, singing songs that make me think about where I came from. That's the reasons why I seem so far away today. Oh, let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, and now I'm going home. For if I should become a stranger, that it would make me more balanced. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. I have moved and I've kept on moving. I've proved the points that I needed proving. Lost the friends that I needed losing. Found others on the way. Oh, and I tried and kept on trying. Stolen dreams, yes, there's no denying. I travel hard with conscience flying somewhere with the wind. Make a bit of noise going. Oh, and let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, and now I'm going home. Now I'm sitting here before the fire, the empty room, the forest choir, the flames are cool and any higher. They go withered now, they've gone. But I'm steady thinking, my way's clear, and I know what I will do tomorrow. When the hands are shaking and the kisses flow, well, I will disappear. Make a bit of noise, it's here. Oh, let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, and now I'm going home. For if I should become a stranger, you know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. You can get it louder than that. Go ahead. Oh, let me tell you that I love you, and I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, and now I'm going home. But if I should become a stranger, you know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Thank you very much. Yes. Dougie MacLean.
Okay, more of the diverse Scotland on stage. I remember this guy when he was an extremely cheeky student.